Hi friends, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Surabhi Multi Creations. Today I am showing Navaratri 9th day Puja vlog. Mata Rani Durga avatar today. Please watch this vlog. Don't skip. First of all, I made the Puja Prasad and lunch preparation Anna Bhog for Mata Rani. Next, I did the puja preparing like this. I arranged Navadurga idols with flowers like this. I read the names 1008 Sahasranama Mata Rani Puja with these ingredients. I completed the puja, Sahasranama puja and Kunkuma puja. Prasad and Annabhog offering to Mata Rani Durga. I completed the puja with Harati Navaratri Vijayadashmi vlog in the next video. Don't miss. I hope like this video. Please support our channel. I will do good videos for you. Like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Mata Rani.